you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
How's it going, man? Good stuff. All right.
You ain't heard me.
What's going on? Yes, sir. What you got here?
6'5" and 10.
You had something different at first, didn't you? That's what you had. Yes, sir. You got it looking good in here, too. You built everything yourself. Yeah. It's looking real good.
Duty here from Cake the Key. They ain't never. Why that nigga talking like he talk that? I got niggas at the service drinking. Shoot his ass in his pod, kill him. I'll say Dirk is broke shit.
I sure appreciate it, man. Yeah. Let me know that. Are you on social media anywhere they can follow you?
Just my name, I don't have a page.
Okay, I'm trying to tag them in the video down below, man. It's good to see you, brother. Yeah. Thank you. Oh, man. Oh, that's nice right there, man.
Need something to hold the door up high.
All you got to wait up there. You did all the fabricating everything yourself.
All that. The only thing I didn't do was get
You wish you just did the easy part then, wouldn't you? That's the easy part. Yeah. What kind of wood is this right here you got? What kind of finish?
That's all white oak.
White oak, okay. I knew it wasn't regular.
Yeah.
Yeah. You do some kind of cabinet work?
Yeah.
Okay, I was the only cabinet builder can know this stuff. I sure 4 15-footers on that side.
And over here, the 1500 and an 800.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you went all the way, man. Hey, you going to Sundown?
Yeah.
Okay, I hope I see you there. I'm gonna try to make it.
Right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.